Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the setup doesn't stall. Make sure Lunar Client 2025 is installed and updated, and verify your microphone works in system audio settings. Next, update Java and any audio drivers to prevent conflicts. Once done, sign into your Lunar account and enable any required mod or developer permissions. Now open Lunar Client settings and navigate straight to plugins or voice sections. This gives you the controls needed for the first installation steps. Now you install and configure the voice component. Grab the Lunar-compatible voice plugin for 2025 and drop it into the Lunar Client mods directory. Then restart the client so the plugin loads. Once launched, go to the plugin's configuration pane. Select your microphone and speaker outputs, choose Open Mic or Push-to-Talk, and set a comfortable hotkey if using Push-to-Talk. Also adjust input gain and noise suppression features. These changes reduce background noise and ensure teammates hear you clearly in-game. Finish by validating the setup with a quick test session. Join a private lobby and speak to confirm audio transmission and volume balance. Make adjustments to mic gain or push-to-talk timing as needed. If voice fails, immediately check OS privacy permissions, ensure the client has microphone access, and review Lunar logs for errors. Once you've fixed settings, update both the plugin and Lunar Client, and clear cache or reinstall the voice plugin if problems persist. This resolves most stubborn compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.